fucking kick my ass right now.
Yeah, it's getting nice.
Here we go.
It is.
Oh, look at all that smoke. What is that?
Everything
Nice.
looks stupid.
Hey, don't do anything
The animations
stupid
look
now.
stupid, but everything looks.
Yeah, the running. Who runs like that? Oh, that's good now.
It's a little bit stuttery.
Yeah, what is that? Why does it look like all chuggy like that? Is it just your stream, John?
Just a
No,
stream.
it's,
Running by.
Bro, it looks like it's chugga lugging, bro. Like,
it's a little stuttery.
if you need to get your. What machine gun is that? Is that the MG what?
MG.
That's
It's the modern day equivalent to MG.
Get your ass over here.
Come
Get ready for position. I want to hear it.
well, let that thing rip, bro. Come on, I want to see it.
Station, this is observer.
Looks like this. Oh shit, what's up? How are you getting blasted?
It's like surrounded, bro.
I'm not sure about Afghanistan. Man, that thing has zero recoil.
Somebody calling in AA-12?
Yeah.
Damn, that's just so badass. What the fuck?
Should've joined the army, so.
Oh, fuck me.
Just played. You should've put your life on the line for nothing.
I'd
For all
fucking
these,
die.
ungrateful children in America to put your life on the line.
Fucking kids,
They, thems, yeah, themsers.
I was joking about that shit. My girlfriend's like, dude, cut it out. And I'm like, no, what are they gonna do? Fight me? They're not gonna fight me.
What are they gonna yell and stomp and cry for their mommies?
What are they gonna tell me I'm wrong?
Yeah.
Nice one. We got Alpha.
Everybody,
shit.
you gonna move over here with me instead, or? No, we're sitting over there.
We got a counterattack.
Yeah, come on. Hang up.
I mean, if I can't find a place in time, I guess I will have to, honestly.
We can hit yaks, bro. We can fucking,
I actually was thinking this.
we can do some gaming over here.
Oh yeah, do some barbecues.
Oh, just some motorcycle riding. Oh,
Yeah,
bro,
I could
yeah.
definitely pay the rent.
Oh, bro, I have to tell you something.
But
We're getting school put in the backyard.
no, bro, why? Not if you don't have to spend it. Oh, the gas bill.
Yeah, I had a contractor come over. Do some measurements if he didn't real.
Oh yeah, dude, cool deal.
Oh yeah.
Why did you sound so disappointed in a second, man?
So I was messing around with
Like you're holding back a tear, you're like, he's okay with it?
you. Yeah, he's okay.
He thinks it's alright?
But once I sell my car, I'll have space in the garage. Yeah, I'll get the Harley.
Guy in the Harley?
Yeah.
You gonna get a Harley?
Yeah, I'm gonna get an Iron 883.
I was on CBR today, dude.
You were? Did you fall?
No,
Did you damage your motorcycle when you fell?
just the
Oh.
plastic.
Just plastic?
Well, the first time at least.
I signed up for that,
The second time.
signed up for that safety instructor, motorcycle instructors, or...
Oh, the MSF course?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Scared.
Scared of it?
Nah, fuck those guys. I'll probably be
Weird.
the best rider there.
Just wear your boots. You should wear some boots.
What? So what? They give you a helmet, gloves, what else?
Yeah, they provide
Motorcycle?
gloves. No, you have to bring your own gloves, I think.
Yeah, I need to get some riding gloves.
But they do provide helmets and bikes. At least the one I went to did. But if it's a Harley, I'm sure they got it too.
Yeah, they'll probably fish me into buying a helmet or something too. I want to wear some
Just go to
used
Cycle
helmet.
Gear. Dude. Cycle Gear and fucking...
Nah, I'm gonna be one of those guys who wears Vans, jeans and a t-shirt.
Oh yes, you're gonna squid up.
Wheeling in 60s and shit.
Oh yeah, Matt. Just start wheeling. Wheeling. Like a G.
Carry my pistol, you know. Oh, I look like a badass.
Like that guy who just died right now.
No, definitely not. I'm trying to avoid dying.
One of our dudes.
Oh! Oh my god, dude! What the?
Do you have a suicide vest?
Oh my god! He popped his head off.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh fuck! Oh, dude, that's don't shoot them.
What they're shaped charges, man. They're not